In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily resize and adjust images using your editor. Whether you're creating content for a presentation or simply editing photos for your own collection, knowing how to manipulate images is a key skill. Let's dive in and explore these simple yet effective methods. First, let's start with how to select an image in your editor. To begin working, you need to click directly on the image you'd like to edit. When you do this, you'll notice a selection outline or bounding box appear around the image, which means it's ready for editing. Now, if your goal is to resize the image while keeping its original proportions intact, you'll want to focus on the corner handles. These corner handles are small square ressorts situated at the edges of the bounding box. And by clicking and dragging any of these, you can adjust the size of the image proportionally. This handy method ensures your image doesn't get distorted, preserving its original balance and appearance. Next, let's talk about using the side handles, which are located along the sides of the bounding box. By clicking and dragging a side handle, you can stretch or compress the image horizontally or vertically. However, it's important to note that this action can skew the image because it alters the original proportions. It's generally not recommended to use side handles unless you're aiming for a specific effect, or you've turned off proportional scaling in your setting options. For most projects, maintaining original proportions will give you the best results. Let's move on to cropping your image. Cropping is an excellent way to remove unwanted areas and highlight the parts of your image that matter most. To crop, you'll need to click on the crop icon usually available in your toolbar. Selecting this tool will open a cropping area around your image within the photo studio. From here, you can zoom into the image and reposition it as needed to fit your desired composition. Move the crop handles to adjust which part of the image you want to keep or discard, and once satisfied, confirm your crop to finalize the changes. And there you have it. With these straightforward techniques, you can easily resize, adjust, and crop images in your editor to meet your needs. Whether you're retaining proportions, exploring skewed perspectives, or cropping for focus, mastering these tools will enhance your image editing capabilities, making your work look polished and professional. Keep practicing with different images to become even more confident and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification. Happy editing!